To connect Redmi Note 14S to TV using screencast, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you'll have to go into the settings. From here, move for the more connectivity options and go for cast. And let's go in there, cast. And yeah, from here you have to make sure that your device, your phone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is the condition that you have to meet before actually using cast. So if you have connected these both devices to the same Wi-Fi network, you can enable cast right here, and from here agree these privacy statements and allow the interconnectivity services. Let's allow this one, and we have to turn on Wi-Fi and location services to be able to use this casting. Let's allow this, and from here you have to, as I just said, you have to connect both of your devices to the same Wi-Fi network, and from here, as you actually meet those conditions, you will be able to find your TV right here. It will, as it is scanning for the devices right now, it will find your TV, and you'll be able to simply tap on your TV, select it, and from here you will be able to actually cast your screen to your TV. So yeah, that's how you can do this.